Hey guys, it's Marie with WTI. I got this photo album and I love it. I use it for my scrapbooking that I just started and it works very well and it fits my needs perfectly. I really love that it comes with markers that you can see on the black paper. It really makes it stand out and pop. Sometimes I write words. Other times I might just add some accents if the paper is already really filled with my stickers and my different scrapbooking things. It really all depends on what I'm in the mood for. This book is so versatile. You can put pictures on there, different papers. I love to stick motivational quotes on there, and even the puffy stickers stick very well. You don't have to add any extra glue. The paper is really awesome and thick and it'll stick. You just look and see how awesome that looks. So this book actually has really helped me out a lot. I just started scrapbook journaling and it really is nice to have. So if you just look through, you can see how many pages I've already filled up. Sometimes I'll skip a page, sometimes I'll come back to another page, I'll do a background on one page and I'm like, okay, let me go to a different page, and I'll go to a different page and start something fresh and new, and then the rest of the pages are there for whenever I need. So I would really highly recommend this product, not just for a photo album, but really for a scrapbook or whatever you really need it for. It could be very therapeutic, looking at pictures or looking at past writings that you have in there. So I would definitely highly recommend this product, and that's my point of view.